Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of natural hair care. If you've been struggling with hair thinning or slow growth, then you are in the right place. We'll be exploring how herbs, nature's own very beauty boosters, can help stimulate hair growth, strengthen your strands, and bring life back to your hair. Whether you're looking for a simple herbal remedy or a DIY treatment, I've got you covered. So let's get started and unlock the power of plants for healthier, longer hair. The first herb we'll be using today is the moringa leaf. Moringa leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourishes the scalp, promotes hair growth, and strengthens hair follicles, helping to reduce hair thinning and improve overall hair health. Another herb we'll be using today is neem leaf. Neem leaves are rich in antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, which help cleanse the scalp, reduce dandruff, improve blood circulation to the scalp, and promote healthier, stronger hair growth. We also have guava leaves. Guava leaves are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which helps strengthen hair follicles, prevents hair loss, promotes healthy growth, and improves scalp health by combating dandruff and itching. Now we're going to start by washing the leaf properly to remove every dirt and dust particles. After washing, we just go ahead and dab the leaf with kitchen towel to remove every water particles because we are going to dry it and we don't want any water particles hanging on it. But before drying it, we're going to go ahead and plug out the leaves from the stick because we don't want sticks in our cream. Now we're going to dry our leaves under the room temperature. No need to keep it under the sun as the sun is going to kill the nutrients contained in the leaves. You can see the leaves now all dried and still looking green. So we'll be adding a bag of green tea to the herbs. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which helps to stimulate hair growth, prevents hair loss, improves scalp health, and strengthens hair follicle by reducing inflammation and increasing circulation to the scalp. Lastly, we'll be adding a spoon of cloves. Cloves has the ability to make the hair thicker, shinier, and longer because it contains essential nutrients that is responsible for strengthening hair follicles. So after mixing the whole herbs together, we'll go ahead and grind it using a grinder. In the absence of a grinder, you can use mortar to pound it. Then the next step is to sieve it so that it will come out very smooth as seen in the video. So the other ingredients we are going to be using are our already made hair cream from the stores. I got this from the store and I'll be using a mixture of 4 different hair cream. If you don't want to use already made hair cream, you can use natural butters like mango butter, cocoa butter, or the popularly known shea butter. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be using these creams. So we'll just go ahead and put all of this cream into a bowl. Then we'll go ahead and melt the cream by placing the bowl into another bowl of hot water. You have to keep stirring until the creams are completely melted and turned into liquid. Thereafter, you introduce your herbs into the cream and stir until everything is mixed up. Some people will choose to filter the herbs out, but for now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave in my herbs. I'm going to use it like that. I love to use it like that. That is why I like to grind my herbs into very smooth powder because I leave them in the cream or butter. I don't sieve it out. And so our herbal hair cream is all ready. I'll just go ahead and transfer it into a clean container and allow it to solidify. Then the cream is ready for use. I use this whenever I need to make any hair treatment for my scalp, or I need to just nourish my scalp or my hair. Thank you very much for watching to this point. I hope you got value. If so, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. And to my returning subscribers, I would like to say a big thank you for keeping the channel on. Let me know if you'll be trying out this method of hair treatment, and which will you like to do. Will you like to use the already made hair cream from the stores like I did, or you prefer to go for the natural butters? I really look forward to see you in my next video, while I expect a report from your experiment